Hello everyone. In our last video, we studied about accounting information. What all are the branches of accounting? Financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. Now, let's understand how the accounting will be useful. What are the qualitative characteristics of accounting? So, quality wise, in every accounts, what all things we need? So, qualitative characteristics of accounting information is qualitative characteristics are the attributes of accounting information which tend to enhance its understandability and usefulness. So, see, like the word quality, quality means we would also always we would want anything of good quality. Okay, why? Because it is more useful for us. The durability increases. It is easy to understand or to use. So, same goes with accounting. In order to assess whether accounting information is decision useful, it must possess the characteristics of reliability, relevance, understandability and comparability. So these are the students, these are the four major qualitative characteristics of accounting that every accounting person needs to do, or accounting as a subject. We need it, the information should be reliable, it should be relevant, it should be easy to understand, and we should be able to compare the information of one company with another company. So let's understand each one of them. The first one is reliability. Let's see. Reliability means the user must be able to depend on the information. It should not be unreliable. Okay, the information should not lie. We should have complete faith, or the decision which we are making should be able, we should be able to make such decision on them. The reliability of accounting information is determined by the degree of correspondence between what the information conveys about the transaction or events that have occurred, measured and displayed. A reliable information should be free from error and bias. So, and faithfully represent what it is meant to represent. So, major important thing in reliability, that our information should be free from error and bias. There should be no mistakes and there should be no partiality, and should faithfully represent what is meant to represent. To ensure reliability, the information disclosed must be credible, verifiable by independent parties, and use the same method of measuring and be neutral and faithful. Now, we'll look into branches of accounting later. Let's first study this. Second characteristic is relevance. First is reliability. Second, we don't want irrelevant information. What the neighbor is doing, we don't care. Okay, we don't want in our accounts. So, to be relevant, information must be available in time, must help in prediction and feedback, and must influence the decision of the users. So, these are the three characteristics we need if we want information to be reliable. It should be readily be available, or should be available in time, and must help in prediction and feedback, plus should influence the decisions of the user. How? By helping them in prediction about the outcomes of the past, present and future events, and or confirming or correcting their past evaluations. The third characteristic is understandability. So, reliability, relevance, understandability. The information, accounting information should be easily understandable. Okay, it should not be a very complex thing that no one can understand it. So, understandability means decision makers must interpret accounting information in the same sense as it is prepared and conveyed to them. So, it should be information in the same sense. So, whosoever prepared accounting, okay, whatever he was thinking, his account should show that only. We should not have any confusion, okay. The qualities that distinguish between good and bad communication is the message are fundamental to the understandability of the message. A message is said to be effectively communicated when it is interpreted by the receiver of the message in the same sense in which the sender has sent it. So, whatever the sender meant, the receiver understood it exactly the same. He did not understand it any other way. Okay. So a message is said to be accountant should present the comparable information in the most intelligible manner without sacrificing the relevance and reliability. Okay. In understandability, that's the only thing that we needed to know. And the last thing here is comparability. It is not sufficient that the financial statement is relevant and reliable at particular time, in a particular circumstance, or for a particular reporting entity, but it is equally important that the user of general purpose financial reports are able to compare various aspects of the entity over different time period and with other entities. To be comparable, accounting reports must belong to a common period and use common units of measurement and format. So see, if I am recording, I record in my own way. If someone else is recording, he is recording in his own way. We will not be able to compare each other's information. If we are not able to, we will not be able to know whether his company is doing good or my company is doing good. So we need a common format, a common way to record our accounting transactions, and that's why comparability comes into picture. So 4 qualities of accounting information is reliability, relevance, comparability, understandability, or understandability, comparability. Okay. Now we'll be studying more about it in our next video. In our next video, we are starting with objectives of accounting. Why do we need accounting? That we'll look in our next video. Thank you.